Hello and welcome. I'm Yvette Farrugia from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. So let's make some Easter bark together, because really, is there ever too much chocolate at Easter time? So we're using some white chocolate melts. We've melted them in the microwave on medium heat, and then we've also added in one of our favourite colours, the candy pink from Colour Mill range. We've just swirled it lightly together because we want to keep it fairly marbled, and then we've spreaded it over a piece of baking paper on our bench. Once you've spread it out with your spatula, then just add in some of your favourite sprinkles. We've used the Sprinks range and two different designs from their Easter range. Once you've added them on, you can pop your bark into the fridge to set up and then just break it up and enjoy. Happy Easter, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.